So I just wanted to give you a quick update on the book. So this was the original format, but I wanted to get the pictures wider, and also I think the text was too big. So again, same thing. I wanted the pictures the full width of the paper. Finally sussed out how to do that. So I've gone for this sort of look. Then you can see the text. I've gone, I think it was 16 points for the fonts. It was basically too big. It's like the oversize fonts on the big books that you buy. So gone down to a 12, which I think is the normal size fonts for these sorts of book, for any sort of book. These sorts of pages, I've sort of tried to put the painting and the photograph side by side so you can easily compare and contrast. A little bit of text in. I've took off the Patreon posts. Same again, this one's Derwent Water. You might have seen these on the posts. This is like a sort of journal part of the book. This is the Near Loch Nocky one. I have to try and write more. I think it looks much better when the text sort of fills all the blank space. Looks like a proper book then. This one I made up, so there's obviously no reference photograph. So I'm just trying to mix it up a little bit. And then we got the Patreon gallery. Try and tighten that up a little bit, maybe have some background pictures in there. And then I've got, I've just had the two pictures so far. This one was Misty Morning Field by Mark Kunkel, I hope I've pronounced that right, from Alabama. And we've got The Conversation by Hannah Clemens, that one she sent to me. So that's the sort of layout. So it's like sort of one page per painting with whatever text. We've got titles and things and whatever text you wanna write down for me. So that's the sort of general layout of the book. So I'll keep plugging away with it. It's not going to. I'm still making all the videos, so don't worry about any of that sort of stuff. So I'll keep you posted on another video soon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again later.